1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
Oh, nice. Oh yeah! Oh!
For explosion.
Oh no, I mean it'll break it. Yeah. Go, buddy! That thing just owns.
Don't do the side of it.
Fucking piece of shit. Dude. Scared.
Whoa!
So much cooler, but I think it does less damage.
Yeah.
Shade.
Use Jen's sword to see how that holds up.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Oh, I'm gonna be angry.
This window. All sorts of.
Where are we at?
Say, this is what greedy, selfish. Oh!
Ready.
Oh!
I am all that is man.
Next, that's my weapon of choice.
Yeah.
So,
On the cement. Get away.
what is that? Closet. Fuck it up.
ER. I think it's something sticking out.
Oh yeah.
Gonna clean up tomorrow.
Let it rip!
Well played, Chef. She is durable.
Come on, you girls, get it up there!
All right, let's get back.
I'm just gonna tiny harding the front wheel. Should I just do it on the center?
You're turning it into a girl's bike. That has potential for explosion. I'm
This
gonna
thing's
break
gonna
this
break.
bitch.
No.
They've made it. We're responsible adults
And this
here.
time,
That way you'll get penetration. All right, here comes a javelin. I recommend getting the fuck out of the way.
Who's ready?
Dude, you chop like a girl. I can throw that bitch like none other.